How to form the passive voice in English. Subject plus to be plus past participle. For example, a letter was written. So subject is letter, to be is was, written is past participle. Why use the passive form in English? The active voice is used to say what the subject is doing. On the contrary, we use the passive voice or form to put more importance on the action performed. Active, he drove the car yesterday. Passive, the car was driven by him yesterday. Active, I clean my house once a week. Passive, my house is cleaned once a week. Sometimes we use the passive in English when we don't know who did the action. My car was made in Japan. My phone has been stolen. This is sometimes specified in the sentence with by, but it is not as important as the action that has been carried out. It was sent by Paul yesterday. I was told by Tina. We often use the passive form to talk about the subject at the beginning of the sentence. The fruits are all grown by local farmers. This window should be replaced when you have time. Note, it is necessary to say I was born and not I am born. I was born in 1983. This is correct. And this is I am born in 1983 is wrong. She was born in the same year as me. Note, the passive voice of verb plus ing is being plus past participle. I don't like him staring at me. This is active. I don't like being stared at. Passive. I hate people talking to me at the library. This is active. I hate being talked to at the library. Passive. When things happen or change, especially in everyday English, we can use get instead of be on the passive. There was an accident, but nobody was hurt. There was an accident, but nobody got hurt. I was offered the job, but I didn't take it. I got offered the job, but I didn't take it. The impersonal passive. Impersonal passive is rarely used in everyday English, but it is sometimes found in text. It is only possible with perception verb think, know, believe, claim, say. The subject must be replaced by it is plus past participle plus that. Active. People say that he left the town 2 weeks ago. Passive. It is said that he left the town 2 weeks ago.